One truck, one meal, one night off grid. No reservations, no campground noise, just peace, a quiet creek, and a chance to reset. In this video, I'm taking you along for a quick overnighter in the Super Pacific X1. I'll show you how I roll into camp, get set up fast, cook a simple meal, and wind down with a fire, all with tomorrow's early start in mind. And before I back up, I'll share the one small change I made to this trip that made everything run smoother. Let's get into it. Well, I think I found the spot. Tucked back off the road, nice and level, with just one other camper in the distance. Far enough away that it still feels like I've got the place to myself. It's quiet, shaded, and close enough to the creek to hear the water. Time to hop out, get camp set up, and settle in before the sun starts to dip. Since it's already about 8 o'clock, I've been driving around a little bit today, looking for a good spot to park and camp. I ended up leaving the area that I was in earlier, driving about another 45-50 minutes to a spot that I know that's tried and tested. And here we are. I'll take you guys for a little walk around here in a few minutes, but for now, I'm gonna make myself some dinner. Sit down for a couple minutes, eat, maybe start a little fire to help clear up some of these bugs. So yeah, check back in a few minutes. Alright, let's see what we have for dinner tonight. So it looks like it's going to be a choice between chicken fried rice or buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. Sounds like a good option. Let's go with the mac and cheese. Let's get this water heated up. This generally only takes a few minutes for the water to start boiling with this little thing. It's a great little find. I found that on Amazon several years ago. It collapses down into this little carrying case, so it's easy to store in my tote along with some of the food. Like I said, it usually only takes 2, maybe 3 minutes. So I am curious to see how much this hot water kettle is taking off the EcoFlow to boil the water. I can feel it getting warm already, and it looks like it's pulling about 880 watts, give or take, which isn't too bad. And remember, this is only running for a couple minutes, 3, maybe 4 minutes, and that was actually cold water that was in the refrigerator, and it's going to turn that to a nice little boil. We'll add it to our food, let it cook for a little bit, and while that's warming up, I'll take you guys on a little walk around this area and show you where I'm at. Oh, let me take this little packet out. Do not eat. Good advice. Alright, let's top this off a little bit. Give it a little bit of a mix. Seal it up. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there for a little while to cook, and we'll come back and check on it in a few minutes. Okay, so while the my food is cooking, let's walk over, let's take a look around the campground a little bit. Like I said, this is a dispersed campground in the Dawson Forest. It's WMA land, and it's free. You can see I've got it almost all to myself, except for that one camper over there. I'll venture down there and say hello in a little while, or maybe I won't. They might want their privacy. So there's my simple setup. Just pull in, pop the camper open, throw a chair out, and you're set to camp for the night. Let's take a little walk. You guys probably can't hear the water running yet, but I am right next to the, I believe it's the Amicalola Creek or Amicalola River. There she is. Isn't that pretty, guys? Alright, let's keep going a little bit. So at one point, this little area right through here was set up, and I don't believe you're allowed to camp in here. Foot travel invited, road closed. So it looks like you can walk through, but I think they want this little area right here by the river to be left open. So I believe they don't allow you to camp right through here. But anywhere over in this other field is perfectly okay. Now this no camping area is specifically right for this little area that I'm in right now. It's not for the field over there where I'm parked. Alright, just went for a quick walk while the food was cooking, and again, it doesn't take very long. Wasn't able to record too much back in there, simply because it's with the trees and the shade and everything. A little bit of a low light situation, so I apologize for that, but wasn't able to get much. But maybe I'll head back out in the morning. But for now, let's go check on dinner. Bugs are getting something kind of crazy, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up and see if I can't scare some of these things away from me. Look at this. I spent the rest of the evening just how I like it, kicked back by the fire, listening to the creek, and watching the light fade through the trees. Took one last short walk before dark, then called it a night. Nothing fancy, just the kind of quiet that sticks with you. Alright, good morning guys. So it's early. It's about 6 a.m. Just woke up. um, got kind of tired last night, so just kind of uh, ate my food, kind of cleaned up a little bit, and pretty much went straight to bed. Slept great. You could hear the water in the background. But I've got a busy day today back at the house, so I'm gonna make some coffee and we're gonna get up out of here. All right, let's get some water heated up. Don't judge me. It's all about keeping it simple. Let's have our coffee this morning. And then we're gonna pack it up and head home. A good night. Say what you will about instant coffee, but it just hits different. Alright. Got a lot to do today, so unfortunately I'm going to have to close down camp and head on home. One night out here was all it took. Just enough space to reset and roll into the next day with a clearer head. If you've been thinking about getting out, even for just one night, consider this your sign. Keep it simple and just go. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more laid-back camping and off-grid adventures. Until next time, keep it simple.